We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Bned stock is on my radar. This is why I always tell you guys, wait for the bottom. Do not chase. I was wrong about this one last time. I was like, man, that thing's going to go straight to zero. Guess what? I was wrong. So it did shoot up as high as 1439. Of course, I wasn't going to chase. That's just ridiculous. I was like, let's wait. It'll come back down. Things don't go straight up. Just look at Palantir. Just look at Nvidia. Things don't go straight up. Eventually, things pull back. No matter how strong the stock may seem, eventually it comes back down. I mean, look at ASTS recently ran from $2 to 40 only to be back at 25. So any sucker who chased thinking this is going to go to the moon, well, that sucks for them. That's why we wait. So look down below at $6.05. That's what it's showing me here. That's the low point. $6. We went sideways here at $6. We went sideways here for a couple weeks. 2 weeks? 2 trading weeks to be specific. I would look at $6. That's what I have my eyes on, and it is coming down. The market is bleeding as well, so it is breaking down here even lower. So look for $6. Look for if it doesn't come down to six, oh well. Give it to me cheap. You guys know me. I like cheap. Give it to me cheap, or I don't want it. Guess what? There's plenty of opportunities out there. If Nvidia goes to 100 or under, guess what? I'll buy that too. What if it never comes down? Well, it already came down there twice, so you never know, especially with the way we're bleeding and the fact that it's in a wedge. And I think I mentioned this yesterday. If Nvidia starts bleeding, we'll see the market as a whole come down, which is exactly what's happening. So we're looking for opportunities now. Where are the opportunities? Where are we going to get some cheapies? So BNed right down here at $6.05, in my opinion. This one's going to be a buy. Of course, I would want to set a stop loss if at I'm thinking, how volatile is this one? I need to do the math real quick on the lower time frames. No, the lower time frames isn't going to help. I need to zoom in on these candles and see. So it came down as low as 601. $6 is really the line in the sand. I would probably set a stop loss, like a tight stop loss at 550, not 515, 590, 595. Like set a tight stop. Trailing stop, maybe 595 trailing stop. No, no, okay, it would be too tight of a stop. Never mind. Probably just a regular old stop at 595. That's the game plan. So let me draw that out for you guys. That's my game plan if it does come down there. You want to set a stop loss. Absolutely, yes, set a stop loss. Let me just show you why I'm asking you to, like, please, like, set a stop loss. You don't want to hold a bag on this one. Look at APDN, MPOX. When MPOX was, oh no, MPOX, when that whole thing was happening, this thing ran from 31 cents to $3.54. And if you didn't set a stop loss and you just held it, I mean, now you're down quite a bit from a dollar. Now it's down back to 30 cents. So I even put my game plan, Monday game plan, load up around 125, set a 15-cent trailing stop. If it goes in your favor, you make money or at least break even or maybe just lose a little bit. If it doesn't, you take the loss and you move on. And whoever jumped in took the loss and they moved on. Although I remember telling people in the Discord, if that's the game plan if you want to play it, but I wouldn't play it personally because this thing likes to have huge runs, and then it just dumps right back down to where it was. So, and there it is. Surprise, surprise. I'm not a genius. It's just this is how this stock likes to behave. So, BNed, for all intents and purposes, I just wanted to show you an example. Set a stop loss because you never know. You never know. Maybe it doesn't hold $6 this time and it breaks down. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. Let's play it safe either way. So 605. Look to low down there. Where's my notes? I need my notes. So let me take that out. Buy at six. Buy at no. Buy around $6, and set a stop at 5.95. And the sell target, well, I know you're wondering, where would I sell, Shades? Where would I sell? Where do I sell? How do I make money here? Well, the top of this range is 750. So that would be your first target, and then 10. That's assuming we bounce. We should get a bounce. If this comes down to 6, that means the market is coming down as well, which should give you a lot of opportunities, not just in BNet, but just across the board. So take or sell target at 7.50 and 10. So there's a nice 20 to 40% to be made there. or you take a small 5 cent per share loss, which is not a big deal. That's what I'm saying. I think it's better to play it with a tight stop because you just never know. You never know with Bned. Although, let me know what you think in the comments below. I know some of you are looking at this. Oh, it's never going to come down there. And if it does, you just shut up and never make a comment. So you only comment when it. Yeah, whatever. I'm not going to play this game of whether it's going to come down here or not. Look, I don't care. The market doesn't care what I think or you think. What it does care about is nothing. It's just going to do what it does. And we play it if it comes down. If it doesn't, we don't play it. There's plenty of opportunities out there, like I said. Plenty of stocks with a bottom, like say ASNS down here, which has been giving us pops constantly since it's bottomed out down here back in June. So why not abuse that bottom, right? So that's what we're looking to do. We're looking to abuse the stock market. Let me abuse that trading range. Let me abuse that pattern where it likes to hold at a bottom. That's what we're looking for. That's what I'm about. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you hit the like and subscribe button. I'm a little more bullish on it if it does come down that low. I know, right? I know you're thinking, wait, why would you be bullish if it's coming down? Because I like cheap stock. I'm a cheapskate.